what I am saying, the second example of electrical decomposition, we have taken the NaCl aqueous solution, and whenever we pass the electricity, then this aqueous solution is called the brine solution. And whenever we are passing the electricity, then NaCl decompose into Na plus Cl2, okay, by the passing of the electricity. What we are doing, again I'm telling you how to do this one. So this, we have taken the 2 graphite salt rod, and we have taken the aqueous NaCl solution, and we conducted this is the connected with the battery. The positive part battery is connected called the anode, and the another part of the battery connected with the electrode, that is called the cathode. So after that, the main point is that what is the brine solution? Brine solution, whenever aqueous solution of NaCl conduct the electricity, then only called it brine solution. After that, NaCl break down initially into 2 ions, Na positive ion and Cl negative ion. Na positive ion is called the sodium ion, and Cl negative ion is called chloride ion. Now come to this, what we have initially at anode. Now you see which ion will move toward anode and which one ion. देखो, positive charge will move toward the cathode and negative ion will be moved toward the anode. You remember this point always. Always the positive charge move toward the cathode, negative charge will move toward the anode. So now here we are saying at anode. So at anode the Cl ion move toward the anode, chloride ion. So Cl negative, it is having the extra of electron. Negative charge means extra of electron, then it lose the electron, then it will form Cl plus electron. Loss of electron, you people know that, called the oxidation process. Oxidation. So now above 2 process we have seen the earlier example also. Whenever at the anode there is always the oxidation, okay, whenever it lose the electron. So again this Cl combined with the Cl, because the element is always combined, okay, same type of atoms, they form a molecule, and then it forms this Cl2 gas. Now come to the next one, at anode, cathode, at cathode. So what will happen in the cathode? Na positive charge. It is a positive charge, means it need a electron to complete out. Okay, it need a electron, then it form Na. So what is the meaning? Na gaining a electron, that is the gain of electron is called reduction. That is called reduction. So what is happening? You know that in our solution, the metal is always, this is the metal. This is metal. 1 minute, I will tell you some more things. Metal always extracted at cathode electrode. Cathode electrode mud. What is the meaning of the mud? This is the electrode. So in the bottom part of the electrode, here the positive Na will be deposited. Yeah, you can say that sodium will be deposited, yeah, metal will deposited at mud, means lower part. Okay, then come to the point next. 1 second beta, I'm going scroll down it. Oh. 1 second. What is happening here? Why not going to scroll down? 1 minute. Okay, leave it. No problem. Okay. At cathode electrode, so metal is always extracted at the cathode electrode mud. Now next point is I am writing what I am writing. You people know that sodium is a most reactive metal. You know that Na is most, it is a very reactive, not very reactive metal. So now we have taken the aqueous solution in it, the solution. This is the aqueous solution. So aqueous means the water also present in this one, water molecule. So now this Na again react with the water. Sodium is react with the water, then it form. You know that metal react with the water. This is the reactive metal. So it will form metal hydroxide. That is metal hydroxide mean NaOH plus hydrogen gas and it release the hydrogen gas. What is happening here? This is why it is happening. It happen with the all the metal? No, it will not happen with the all the metal. The some metal which are very reactive with the water, then this reaction will be happen. So now what you observe here, the what are your observation in this equation? Our observation are there. Number first one, aqueous solution of NaCl is good conductor of electricity. Good conductor of electricity. Okay. So that we are not adding any acid in this one. Second point. While in the case of the water, we added the small quantity of acid, but in this case, we are not going to add any acid because this is the good conductor. This is the salt. This is salt. So salt can dissociate easily. NaCl, second point you write, NaCl is a salt and salt can dissociate in their ion easily. Next point, chlorine gas is releases at anode electrode, while hydrogen gas is releases at cathode electrode. Fourth point, Na metal can be extracted at cathode mud. Fifth point, Na is very reactive metal so that it react with water and form NaOH, sodium hydroxide, and release hydrogen gas. Fifth point, sixth point, oxidation process is happen at, you see, where is oxidation? Oxidation at anode electrode, while reduction is happen at cathode electrode. Okay, you now write it.